Today we are doing a car clean on my Echo. Does not want to run. I'll show you what it's doing here. Full throttle, it dies out. So let's clean it out real quick. Side. Just watch all this varnish off here, all this dirt off it. See that? This is by cleaning it up. Kind of take her apart here. Yeah, but wear gloves, glasses. Two Phillips right here. Remember, if man made it, man can fix it. This here faces the Walbro. Where it goes into, Walbro. I'm out here in the sun because be gentle here, don't tear it. There's a thin gasket here, which is your fuel pump. You got a thicker one on the bottom. So be very careful if you use this gasket here. Don't tear it. Very careful. If you want to remove the bottom, you can, but they always seem to tear. So they don't really bother with taking the bottom out. But if you're able to do it, go ahead. That would do it. I don't bother with. So separate this one here. Be very diligent because it will tear. Gentle. But your main issue is this one right here. In the middle right there, there's a little hole right there that feeds it during idle. During idle and for high RPMs. All the time they get plugged out through here, and through here. So I would put through here gently and let it make sure it's flowing up here properly. See that? Nicely. But I have car kits in there, so the customer ones I would put a car kit. But I'm going to show you guys at home or not want to run properly, you don't have the parts. If you need to have your actual lawn, you have your lawn done real quick, and this will work. This is another check valve right here. It actually goes down. This here comes out of here. So what you do not gun it too hard. Very lightly. Very lightly. And this here goes this way here. I hate using air. You can, but I don't use air. It does more damage than good. See that? That goes to your inlet needle right here. Very easy. Make sure the gasket is not torn or anything here. So mine is, I'm not bothered with taking it off because I don't want to damage the gasket on it. But yeah, it's a thick one, and then a thick one, and a thin one on top. Gasket. And here, your springy goes right in there. This is a foolproof way of doing it. See that? It should be flush with the top of it right here. Flush with it. This here should be really soft, no crunches. To make any crunch sound or anything, it's no good. See that? So it folds going back to it. That's how it should be. Very floppy, not crunchy. See here? This here goes right there. Like that. This goes right here. This goes like this. On the customers, I would change the pine bob here, but so normally I would change the bob here, but me and that guy, I'm pretty much showing you how to do it. So either put a new carb kit, a new carb kit, or using the old parts. The same process. This here, remember? That goes to Warbro. Warbro? That. These are very simple to work on. Yeah, this is actually a half-ass job, but see where it runs. First pull, maybe. Cool. Maybe again. No smoking while you're doing it. Guess what? You'd be on the money, my friend.